Hello and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen, where I share a weekly recipe with you. This week's recipe is a fish curry, a South Indian fish curry called Turmeric Fish Curry. A lovely yellow color, this curry is sure to bring the sunshine right into your homes. Shall we start?
First up, I have 500 grams of this awesome looking Sanangin fish. Sanangin is called threadfin in English. In Malayalam and in Tamil, it is called kala meen. 1 big red onion. Here you see me chopping up the onion into small pieces. Six cloves of garlic, bruised and chopped into small pieces. Ten grams of ginger, julienned. 4 green bird's eye chillies chopped. Three stalks of curry leaves and 5 whole red bird's eye chillies. 4 pieces of assam gulugo, known in English by its botanical name Garcinia atroviridis. I'm afraid there is no common English name for this souring agent that is native to peninsular Malaysia. You can use a pot, a pan or a mud pot like I'm doing to make this fish curry. Place the pot on a medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to it. I'm using coconut oil. Let's now wait for the oil to heat up. The oil is heating up. Let's now flavor the oil with the sweet licorice taste of fennel seeds, a spice that I try and use in most of my curries. The curry leaves go in next. Let's saute these 2 ingredients for a short while. The garlic, ginger, onions and green chillies go in next. Now let's saute these ingredients until the onions sweat. It is this trio of garlic, onion and ginger that provides the base flavor that makes a curry distinctive and singular. As this fish curry is a lighter and less intense curry, we only sweat the onions, we don't brown them. Next ingredient to go in is the assam keping. You can use tamarind instead. Next, pour 50 ml of coconut milk that has been diluted with 400 ml of water into the mud pot. Let's give this a stir and move on to the next vibrant ingredient. Adding 1 whole teaspoon of glorious turmeric powder to the coconut milk. 1 teaspoon of chilli powder follows closely. Now stirring to combine. The next step is to bring this coconut milk gravy to a boil on a high flame. Hey, let's not forget the salt now. I nearly did. Now that the coconut milk has come to a boil, let's reduce the flame and boil this coconut milk for 4 minutes on a medium flame to bring the flavors together. It's been 4 minutes. It's now time for our star ingredient to join the party. 500 grams of sliced Senangan fish or threadfin going in now. Now let's gently move the fish slices about so that they will all become submerged in the gravy. It's okay to move them around now because the fish slices are not cooked yet. Just be careful not to disturb the fish slices once they start cooking. Adding a 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek powder now. Fenugreek powder is mandatory for almost all South Indian fish curries. Cook on a medium flame until the fish becomes nearly cooked. The fish appeared to be almost done. Let's taste the curry to see if it's sufficiently briny and tangy. The taste is perfect. Now adding a vital ingredient, 150 ml of coconut milk. Adding the red bird's eye chillies for some color and a little bit of heat. Now let's twirl the curry because stirring it will cause the fish pieces to break. The coconut milk has come to a boil. I've just turned off the stove. This is because if the coconut milk is cooked for long, it will separate. Now add the remaining curry leaves. Now for that special ingredient that I as a Keralite say increases the taste of a fish curry by a few notches. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm using virgin coconut oil. Give the curry a few more twirls. The curry is still boiling because of the residual heat in the clay pot. Let's now cover and let the curry rest for 15 minutes. Creamy, luscious and vibrant fish curry. This turmeric fish curry will bring the sunshine into your homes. Make it and eat it, and your taste buds will thank you for it. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe at home, and when you do, please send me a photograph to my email address that is in the description box below. Until I see you again next week with another video, stay safe. Bye.